For this tutorial, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Starry Eyes to Hypnotize palette. Hello everyone. So today I will create a very clean and fresh everyday eye makeup look. My eyes are prepped and eyebrows are done. So let's start it. So I'm using this shade above my crease from this palette. I will use this fluffy brush from Sephora. I will kind of apply it in the middle. I will not go towards the end. So I will focus more on the middle of my crease. So next on lid and crease, I will use this shade. Using the same brush, I will apply the second eye shade. I will apply it on my crease. So before I applied little above, and now this shade I will apply on my lid. So by using this angled flat brush, I will kind of create half cut crease. I'm just cleaning this area. This is not a proper cut crease. I'm just cleaning half of my lid where I will apply a foiled eyeshadow with Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation. I hope you can see in the shade Warm Porcelain. I will repeat the same step on the other eye. I am using angled brush to create a very clean look, very defined look, and now I will fix it with little bit powder with my finger. Next, I will use this shade from the palette on my lid. Apply this eyeshadow very neatly because you have very matte eyeshadows on crease and above the crease. I will use this shade in the inner corners and brow bone. Inner corner is very subtle. So now okay, now for outer corners, I will not use brown. I will use black. For the outer corners, I will use this black color from the palette. So just put a dot here. Just put a dot and blend it. This time I will not go towards inner crease. I will just stay here and blend it. So this will give a very wide look to the eye and create a small wing with the eyeshadow. So now you can see. So I will use the same brush. I will not use more shade. and use it to the 1/3 of outer corner. So this is the final look. Uh, I hope both eyes are equal. Okay, now I will apply eyeliner. Now apply mascara. So now for a little twist, I will use this Michelin metallic green eyeliner towards outer wing. I will create So that's all for today. I hope you like the video. Like, share and subscribe.